Welcome to the presentation of enabling kit header products with gross weight based fleet calculations and sales orders. First of all, in the kit master data, we have enabled and enhanced the kit header to maintain UAM characteristics, including net weight, cross weight, volume, and length and width data, along with the GT master data that we had in the earlier releases. So in this release, we user can maintain net weight and gross weight with custom values and all the allowed weight-based characteristics. Save the master data, kit master data, and now user can navigate to the fleet master data, and for a given document like sales order, he can maintain fleet with weight-based scales. In this case, we have for 10 kg 90, and for 15 kg 110, and so on and so forth. So we can add a few more scales to the to the fleet master data. So for example, for 30 kg 250 USD, and for 35 kg onwards 300 USD. So after maintaining the fleet master data for weight-based scales, release the fleet master data so that the same can be picked up by the price engine in sales order creation. So you can create a new sales order where for a given account and enter the product. In this case, we have to enter the product for which we have maintained the weight master data. So enter the kit header product, and we see that the kit sub items also gets included here. And navigate to the kit sales order item. As you could see, the for a given one quantity, the gross weight is 10 kg, and for 10 kg, the fleet master data supposed to be picked is 90 USD. So if you navigate to pricing and invoicing, you see that the 90 USD is what get picked up for the fleet master data. Yeah, and now after that, increase the quantity to 2, and you would see that the 20 kg freight scales, it's supposed to pick 150 USD, and it has picked up 150 USD from the fleet master data. And apart from that, you can try changing it to the other scales, so that just to check it picks up the right scales from the fleet master data. So it has picked up 300 USD for anything above 35 kgs. In this case, the sales order has 40 kg as the gross weight. So, having said this, the right fleet is getting picked in the sales order from the fleet master data, which is weight-based scales enabled in the current release. So now to enable this, the one thing that needs to be taken care is in the configure price strategy. You in the standard pricing procedure, since we're using net pricing procedure, user have to make sure that for the fleet, the scale based type has to be enabled as net weight, because the master data that needs to be enabled in the fleet has to be weight based. That's why the prerequisite for this master data maintenance is in the configure price strategy, the fleet scale base type has to be weight based. So, having said this, another thing to note down is in the sales order by default, the weight characteristics are not enabled. So, user have to go to personalization and enable the net weight, cross weight, or net volume fields to be visible if it's not already visible. So that is one of the point to remember, to make sure that the weight other UM characteristics like net weight, cross weight, or volume data to be visible in the sales order transaction document. So you have to personalize those fields. So to do so, so user can follow the steps of personalization. So with that, in the sales order, user can view these characteristics. So what we have done is we have enabled this feature for all CRM documents. So like for invoicing, for other documents or other CRM documents, just like sales order. So in the earlier release, we had only the UM characteristics like G2. In this current release, we have enabled it for other characteristics like weight, volume, and width as well. Thank you.